Hello students, today in our second part of SQL join we learn left outer join and right outer join. So now we have this two table M1 roll number, name and city, and M2 which has roll number, father name and phone. In previous video we learned about cross join and inner join. So if we use these two table with the help of inner join query, then what will our output? So first we try in our this. So I select M1 dot roll number comma M1 dot name comma M1 dot city, then M2 dot father name comma M2 dot phone from M1. So I am use inner join and M2 on M1 dot roll number equal to M2 dot roll number. So I write this query. Now if I execute this query, go, then we can see our output is this 103, 101, 102 and 103 and all the related information. Now what happen if I see my table? So here we have 104 option and in M2 we have 105. This particular record is not coming because 104 roll number 104 is not appearing in table M2. So record is not matching, so it will not be displayed. So now what we want, so our next join is left outer join. So what is this? The left outer join is a particular type of join that selects row from both left and right table that are matched. So it selects row from both table plus all arrows from left side even with no matching rows found in the right table. So our left side table is what? M1 and right side table is M2. So when we are using left outer join, so all matching record are coming and it will also give the record from left side which is not matching with from right side table M2. So in this way we can get all records of left side table and common with right side table. So to do this, how we will execute this query? So in place of inner join, I write here left join from M2 on M1, same information is that I just change the keyword from inner to left and go. So now here you can see left side all record is coming, and if there is no corresponding record of in M2, then there is a null value is coming and all the matching record will also coming. And our next join is, our fourth is right outer join. The right outer join is a particular type of join that selects row from both left and right table that are matched and plus all rows from right table even with no matching row found in the left table. So again now here we can see output, it will coming all records of right table and this, if no matching is there then null is there, and all the matching record of both table are also coming in right join. So how we can perform this query? So here apart from left join I write here right join on M2 on M1 and this same information is there and I press go. So here you can see if left side table is not coming then all records are coming from M2 table. So today we learned our third type and fourth type of join is left outer join and right outer join. So left outer join will display all record of left side table and matching of right side table, and right outer join is display all records of right side table and matching record of left side table. This type of join is used to combine more than one table